Okay.
Hell, I was trying to see if anybody was sitting in there.
Oh, yeah,
Like,
somebody's
damn, I
in
can't see it. Car is literally squat underneath. So there's no space between the tire and the fender, and then he's on the throttle, so it's coming up out of the corner.
No, you're good. You're good. I adjust.
But we went ahead and
I think we got all the generations here. Got all generations of Chargers here.
Concord. We're just talking, there's a couple of things going on with
Originally, we were talking about doing like that.
Jackson, NASCAR back street cars and road cars, all of
I turned him down. I couldn't be the I don't even know who the hell this is. And then I'm looking at this closely that they have. I go, oh shit. So I sent him a friend request.
I might accept
Get
it.
him
I guess I
back.
don't get it because I'm homework.
because I saw, I hardly ever see you don't. I saw some Star Wars stuff that I wanted to send you, and I'm like, I don't think you're friends. I'm like, oh my god, I want to send this to you. I don't want to go because it's happening. Yeah. Everything going on. We are family.
Yeah, I love that McLaren. You know, most people they tend to go bald on top first, right?
That shit, man.
I didn't even accomplish
It's crazy. See, nice color. Nice ass color right there. Look at that color.
It's just him going like,
You don't see this in that color that often. Yeah. Sweet. Two Lotuses. Have you taken this out to the track at all?
no, I don't.
You don't do the track stuff?
Mondays to take cars to the track. I'll drive somebody else's car on the track.
Yeah, yeah.
But by the time we finish fixing the chips and everything else.
Oh yeah. Well, that's what I was thinking. This morning I was like Cars and Coffee, and they were doing the charity laps.
And I was just like, man, I just wrap mine. So I'm like,
I used to have a track car.
yeah,
And a couple of the guys have track cars.
right.
Some of them bring the cars inside. I mean, you get all the rules. Oh, stay away. This, that. I don't.
And you spend more time fixing what you messed up on the track than
Yeah.
actually enjoying the car.
Yeah, and you know, and if you're gonna do it right, you know, it's hard to track a spider too. I mean, you know, it's rather a roadster. Because really, you should roll cage. I mean, if you're gonna do it right, and you're gonna go out on the track and do something.
Right.
So,
Man, this is some automobile you got here.
thank you. Yeah, you came down here with
One day, you know, this is a small group. You get to know us.
what's going on with this Malibu?
Yeah, if you like square per square foot.
Look at this.
This right here is an album.
Sweet.
Stock spec.
GTA.
Base spec on a GT4, but it's gorgeous. And it's a 6-speed.
Ah, 340. 334 barrel.